Hi everyone. So I'm coming up with the second part of the Gunguru. So it's not actually the second part, but the rest of the song. Yes. So we learned this song. A lot of you told me that you have liked it. So I thought let's complete the song. So when we did it last, we ended on 5, 6, 7, 8. From there the girls' lyrics start, right? So very simple. What we are going to do is after you do 5, 6, 7, 8, what you're going to do is you're going to walk forward, right leg going forward, step together. Now when you're doing the step together, what I want you guys to do is you step, you drag the left leg in. Now when you're doing that, what you're going to do is go sideways. So you go step together. Yes? Did you see what did my hands do? So you went open together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. What I want you to do is, when you go 2, I want you to get your left leg behind your right leg. Right? So you go 1, 2. Now your left leg is behind your right leg. So you can turn through your left shoulder. 3, 4. Yes? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Now your left leg should be in front. Go out left side, in, right side, in. Let me go again from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you are going to go sit on your left pelvic, right side. So you go down and right side. 5, 6, 7, 8, down and right. So you go boom, here. If it is a boy who is dancing, what you are going to do is, you're going to just open and. So you just go open and. Yes, for boys. For girls, sit and. So you're going to put your right side pelvic out and do it. So 5, 6, let's do it from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Gather everything. Come close. Turn through the left shoulder. Hands down. Left leg, left hand. In. Right leg, right hand, in. Yes. From there, I sit on my right pelvic and I go 1, 2. Yes. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, ra, da, da, na, da, ra, da, 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 ra. Yes. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you go back 4 counts. 5. So from here you go back 4 counts. Use your left leg first because it is open. You go and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you come back to the neutral position. So from here 4 counts and 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you do with your hands? So my hands were here. You go open. So think you're tapping a door. Tap, tap, tap. So from here you go tap, 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 tap. Feet together and you reach here to go for a point and you repeat the signature. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, let's go the entire flow. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. So she sings Chod ke. Yes, what I'm going to do is I'll play the first 2 lines on music so you understand, and then let's go ahead from there. So, where is my song? Let's try it on music, okay? So the first half of the music was very simple, you have already done it. This is the second half of the song, yes? Remember all this? Yes? Now. New step. Yes? From here you go for the signature step. Yes? So let's do it one more time. I'll give you the signature step one more time. got it? So we went from the signature step, we started with the new choreo. Yes? Let's do it again. Signature step here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची तेरे के घुंघरू. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, stay there. So, what we did is we actually completed the entire bit of the song now. So the second half, I'm again going to repeat it to make it simple. What did you do? Right leg forward. छोड़ के सारे ना 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 मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची आज. Yes? के घुंघरू. So you practically have only one step to go back. Step together. And the hands go tap tap tap. टूट गए is the time you hit your right leg with the left hand. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, click, cross, click. Yes? Let's go. We'll play that portion again so that you get that one. New portion. Okay, so that was that bit which I had not done in the last class, and now I have done it for you guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the last bit. Now you can actually do the entire song. So if you have to perform it somewhere, you have the entire song ready with you now. What you would do is you would learn the next bar otherwise. So I think this much of this song is good. So even if you're performing it somewhere, add multiple songs which adds to the flavor. So this song, this much, looks pretty decent. I hope you have liked it. Okay, bye.